Paranaenses, welcome to the Express. I am Porak, bringing you a special look at a day filled with smiles, flashes, and a lot of school pride. Class of 26 is officially ready for their close-up. Today marks the graduation pictorial, a milestone where years of hard work are finally captured in a single frame. Come with me as we document a thousand of smiles, true laughs, capturing the moment we've all been waiting for. Today, I'm one of the graduating students of Batch 2026, Miss Arian de la Peña. Good morning po. I have following questions po. First po, now that you're finally wearing the toga for your pictorial, what is the first emotion that comes to your mind?
The first emotion that comes to my mind is excited. Because, finally nakamit ko na yung bunga ng sacrifice ko more than a year. More than a year.
Next question po. How does it feel to be part of the batch that reached the finish line despite the many challenges of the past few years?
Happy. Kasi 2 years, simula nung nag-senior high ako, yung environment ko nag-iba, naging mas mahirap kumpara nung junior. So, masaya ako kasi parang unti-unti nalampasan ko na yung mga hardest moments.
For the last question po, if you could describe this moment in just one word, what would it be?
Meaningful. Kasi, yun nga, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, madami akong pinagdaanan. Hindi lagi kumpleto yung tulog ko. And sobrang daming schoolworks na sa natatambak na issue ko. Ganun. Ngayon, parang konti na lang, medyo nasa kalahati na ako ng journey ko sa pag-aaral.
Today, I'm with one of the graduating students of Batch 2026, Mr. Marlon Hila. Good morning po.
Good morning.
I have following questions po. First po, does it finally feel real now that you're holding your cap and gown?
Yes and no at the same time. Kasi since nag-transfer ako dito this last year, di ko na-expect na ganun lang kabilis na nandito na kami, nag-picture para sa graduation.
Next question po. Do you feel fully prepared and confident to graduate? Why or why not?
Confident naman ako since ang family ko is full support sa akin.
Last question po. What challenges po, academic, financial, or personal, did you face the most as graduation approach?
Sa akin kasi, more on personal kasi, ang family ko is full of teachers and dahil sa ganun, I feel more pressured na mag-achieve para maging proud sila sa akin.